done. Yeah.
All right. And we're done. All right, let's go home.
There seems to be a big gap.
Well, we still have to trim. And
Oh, there's this brace right here. This has to be trimmed to all to hell. We gotta take this brace off.
what brace we got there? Sherman?
This one right here, this little guy.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta take that off.
I mean, eyeball-wise, it looks not half bad.
Not bad. We do have to straighten that out.
Yeah. And
So,
then,
but you have big gaps between the two sections. When
well,
they
we
say
still
trim
got
it
to...
out. How do you do that?
Well, that's what we're gonna show you next.
Is it like a grinder or?
Well, no, we're gonna place it as close as we can to where it's supposed to be. In this case, we're gonna lay this panel, we're gonna try and lay the panel over this panel and then do a secondary mark. Now that we've got this out of the way, we can figure out how much we have to trim off, and then we can decide whether we're gonna trim it with a grinder or a pizza wheel. Were you able to get in?
Yeah.
But those
This out of the way.
look like regular bottled water.
There we go. Don't drink enough water. So says my doctor, so if it's flaking, I'll drink water.
Look at that.
What'd you do?
Goddamn thing you do isn't filthy.
God, it falls apart.
Yeah, I always wear Chelsea clothes.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so when you were saying there's big gaps, remember that we cut this. You remember how to do this.
jeans it.
Purposely.
We still got to cut the bottom further.
Right.
And we got to get obviously closer back in here.
Well, we got to get that bracket off.
So, but you have to make sure that it exactly fits so the trims and all the pieces that work.
Correct. We're going to do that.
Okay.
We're in the process of doing that.
Okay.
This is actually very time consuming.
Okay.
We've done the easy part, which is to cut the panel off. This has got to get cut off. It's not. It's just flexing.
All right, we'll get it.
I've got a cord.
Untie him.
Unhand me, you fiend.
Whoa.
Savage.
Maybe you want to be handy.
Okay, why don't we start?
Look at that.
It's all right. No,
It's not bad.
That's not terrible.
So, is there anything you can do to help put it in place to help you as getting in line, or?
No, right now we're at trial fit.
Okay, but
Okay.
I mean, for trial fit, do you do anything to help you, like put a bar under it or support, or just?
No, right now, well, we could, but what I'm trying to do is figure out, I'm looking at this, and I'm using this as a guide, and I'm saying I'm really close right there.
Okay.
So if we
Yeah,
were
that
to-
looked good.
I would
Ish.
say that's really good. So at this point, if we have a marker, we can mark it.
Someone
And then
put a
do
oh,
a-
there we go.
a
Oh, that
trim.
one's dead. You got to use one of the other colors. Sniffing it doesn't help. It smells good, but it doesn't work. The black one always
Dries out.
dries out
Give me the
first.
blue one. There's a blue one right there.
The whiteboard that I have jack shit on. Yeah.
You could have
Yeah, that
drawn,
looks frighteningly
you could have drawn something special.
I can't draw, Bobby.
Stick figures work.
Okay, now if you look what I'm doing with this, I'm putting it hard against the panel.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm trying to eliminate the potential
Okay.
of any gappage. So we're going to cut right on that line.
There's a big, heavy fucking brace underneath that, just so you know, Chuck, right where you want to cut.
Well, we got to cut right about there. And you already took one of the braces off. So what we'll have to do
It's
is
just
notch
the
it.
back side of that brace that we cut.
We'll have to notch it.
That's fine.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I can go in there and just meh,
Yeah. Okay, let's cut that off.
with that sound effect. Meh.